Hello everyone! Good morning! Today is Friday and it's a holiday kasi EDSA day today. So, walang pasok but I have class later. Exempted ako. Nandito ako sa nasaan nga ba ako? Ano sa tingin nyo? Nasaan po ako? I am waiting for Aliyah kasi pinapakuha ko siya ng lagayan ng sampalok. Mangunguha kami ng sampalok. That is sampalok. Yay! Tamarind. Nandito ako sa ano ba to? Hindi ko alam kaninong lupa to, basta pinasok ko lang. Joke. Kumusta po kayong lahat? We hope that you are all fine. Today is Friday. So, I'm looking for a spot here. Because I'm gonna tell you something about simple things today. While waiting for Aliyah. I'm gonna sit on the ground. Ayan. Upo tayo sa lupa. It's a very quiet place. Ito yung place where I used to walk when I was pregnant with Aliyah. With Inang. Pipitas kami ng mga kasoy tree. Ay, ano ba? Bunga ng kasoy kasi may mga puno ng kasoy dito at saka mangga. Ayan na siya. Mommy daw, sumisigaw. I just wanna share about how we should value life. Kasi nowadays, people are under stress. People are worried. Masyado tayong nag-worry about everything. Yes, it's true. Nakakabagabag naman talaga. Pero minsan kasi kailangan lang nating i-balance ang lahat. Alam mo yung ibang tao, they strive for life and others wish to end their life. O, diba? Nasaan yung hustisya doon? So, I hope that if you are struggling, oh, here she is. Wow! Aliyah is here. Hi, Aliyah. That's for lagayan. Okay. Mommy is, vlogging. Okay, you sit beside me muna. Sit in your, chinelas. Because I'm sharing them about how we should value life, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yes. Life is a gift from God, right? Yes, and we should value it.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Other people are in the hospital right now. Other people are sick. Other people have no job. Other people have toothache, Aliyah said. Other people
and then
have
headache and
ayun.
nose head.
Oh, but we are healthy.
Uh-huh.
You and me are healthy.
Yeah, with our parents.
Aliyah is with her mom and dad, and I am with my family.
Lola Billy is your mom, right?
Yes, I have my mom. She is healthy, even though
your dad is in the sky because
yes, my dad is in the sky na because my dad died long time ago. That was so unfortunate.
Do he got a mustache?
Yes, my dad has a mustache and beard. Okay, let's go back to what we are sharing muna.
Oh yeah.
No. I mean, what we're sharing about life. Life is precious, so we should value it. Every moment of your life.
And we always pray to Jesus and God, and then we can flood our world.
Yes.
That should be sad. Or else my mommy's going to die and my daddy. That's why we need to be sick and pray always.
Pray always,
and don't
yes.
give us bad dreams.
Opo.
That's why we need to pray, okay?
Okay, yes. Thank you so much. I hope that you are all well. And stay healthy. Kamo stay healthy.
Stay healthy and good.
Everyone, thank you.
come and rise up and be healthy, guys. Goodbye.